Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga. So sa video na ito guys, papakita namin sa inyo yung pagpapa-check up namin. First, prenatal check up ko doon sa Dumaguete. Pupunta kami yung araw. Tapos makikita nyo rin sa video na to yung lahat ng mga ginawa namin sa hospital, mga ultrasound. Maririnig din natin guys yung makikita natin si baby sa ultrasound. And then, maririnig din natin yung heartbeat niya dito. At i-discuss din namin sa inyo guys yung kung magkano nga ba ang mga anak sa hospital na ito sa pag CS ka, kasi ako ay CS na ako kay Yuri, so sa next kong panganak ay magsi-CS din ako. Malalaman din natin ang aking due date, kung kailan ako manganganak. Tapos yun lang. Yun lang. Ang video na to ay tungkol lang sa aming check-up sa hospital at pag ultrasound, mag-laboratory test ako, blood test, urinalysis at lahat-lahat. Malalaman natin dito. At kapag nagustuhan ko ang hospital ay doon ako manganganak. Pagkatapos i-discuss ko sa inyo yung yung kung magkano nga ba ang mga anak dito sa hospital na to na CS, kasi itatanong din namin yun kung magkano ang CS sa hospital na to. Kasi CS na ako kay Yuri, so magsi-CS din ako sa second baby namin. At yun lang. So sana mag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. What can you say?
And maybe we'll find out the estimated date
I already said.
because with your check we went too late, but now it's good time to check it. Before around 3 months is okay. Okay, let's find it.
Let's go. So we're here at Ace Dumaguete Doctors Hospital guys. Magpapa-check up ako. First prenatal check up ko dito ngayon. Your chick? Football? We will go there after.
Hi. Very sure this thing. Init. Нет кондиционера, зато вентилятор. Мое почтение. Тебе помочь? Пойдемте найдем Wi-Fi. Ваучер. Вау. Все, Wi-Fi, ваучер проверим, санитайзер. Давай ручки. Ой, careful. Давай, Юрий.
I'll get the clearer one first.
She's running there.
How you know is she?
Or he. Or he's.
Yeah, kiss and move.
So, tapos na kaming magpa-check up. Medyo natagalan kami. 2 PM dapat yung appointment, pero dumating yung doctor mga 3:30 na. Kasi busy din yung doctor. Marami siyang patient na nag-rounds pa kasi siya. Pero okay lang, at least tapos na kami. So, babalik kami tomorrow for, for ultrasound. Kasi late na ngayon para magpa-ultrasound. Mga 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Mga 10 a.m. dapat nandito kami for ultrasound. Actually, nakapagbayad na kami. O mga 1,700 plus yung, yung ultrasound nila.
Loud! Likang!
What can you say, Yuri? Do you want a baby brother or a baby sister?
Baby sister.
Wow! Your chick wants a baby sister. So, may nireseta din yung doctor ko ng mga vitamins for pregnancy. And then, next check-up namin, next week Tuesday. And ano pa, mga 3,000 plus yung nabayad namin sa doctor actually kasi may mga niresita siyang vitamins and mga, I think vitamins lang yun. Maraming vitamins yung niresita. So, let's go. We're gonna buy, bibili kami ng ibang vitamins kasi wala dito sa hospital nila. Wala wala dito sa kanilang pharmacy. So, let's go. Tomorrow again, balik tayo dito. So yummy. Yes, ASMR. Gusto ko rin dito actually guys, hospital na to. Kasi malinis naman yung hospital. At saka yung doctor, super friendly niya. Very welcoming yung doctor. Hindi ka talaga mahihiyang magtanong. Water? We have water?
No, I just think
In high thermal. Yuri, time to eat, dali. One chicken or beef? Or vegetable? Magandang umaga guys. Punta kami ng hospital ngayon kasi magpapa blood test ako at saka ultrasound. Ang gutom ko guys kasi hindi ako nag-almusal kasi pag magpapa blood test daw dapat at least 8 hours na walang laman yung tiyan mo. Kaya hindi ako nag-breakfast and yung lunch last kong pagkain kagabi pa dinner mga 6 p.m. yata yun. Ibot mo ito. Kala ko guys makakapag blood test ako today. Pero hindi pala kasi 6 p.m. yung last na food. Dapat pala 8 to 10 hours lang na mag-fasting. So, kailangan kong bumalik dito ulit for blood testing. Dapat pala 8 to 10 hours ang fasting ko. So, 6 p.m. na yung last kong food. So, more than 10 hours na siya. Hindi na pwede. Kailangan ko na ulit mag-fasting. Sobrang gutom ko pa naman. Sana kumain na lang ko kanina. Late na kasi kami dumating dito, mga 8 na ngayon. 8, almost 9 na actually. Si Yuri at Dimitri nandun sa canteen. Kumakain si Yuri doon kasi nagutom siya. Dito ako sa may ultrasound office. Dito ako makakapag-ultrasound ako today pero blood testing hindi pa pwede. Okay, guys, so we're done with sonogram or ultrasound. Yeah, everything is normal. The baby is very healthy. And guess what's my estimated due date? I have a gift for you for Christmas. I already have a precious gift for you for Christmas.
Who's so sharp?
Now, my EDD is December 23 to 2024. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have Christmas here in hospital. We're gonna have a baby this year. Another baby. Yeah, so that's it. Babalik kami dito for tomorrow. For the blood test and urinalysis tomorrow, guys. And yeah, 14 weeks and 2 days na si baby. I'm on my last week of first trimester. Okay, so we're going to eat na kasi sobrang gutom ko na. I'm so hungry. That's my advance gift for you for New Year and Christmas.
It's raining.
It's the land of dinosaurs. This is how the world looked a long time ago, before houses and cars and stuff.
Yay. Go. Where are you sitting here? We're going to hospital for my check-up, guys, and magla-lunch muna kami dito before going to the hospital. Your chick just woke up from his nap. Yuri, are you hungry? Are you hungry?
It's a barista also. So I understand. Thank you. Yeah. You want? Try again. Try for video.
Let me.
Yeah. You want?
The best cappuccino in town. Yummy. Still another food. Two for Papa, one for me, one for you. Papa eat two because he's a big man. Okay, lunchtime, guys. What's up? Go. We need to stop.
Stop.
So many cars.
No,
Dangerous.
Alright,
Okay, tapos na kami mananghalian. Punta na kami sa aming doctor.
Not doctor. I want to go to playground.
Mama needs to go to the doctor first, and then we're gonna go to playground. We can go to playground after, okay? Papa, we go to playground, okay?
Go to
Playground with coins, lots of coins.
Let's go.
Yeah, punta muna kami sa doctor, guys. Kasi alas 2 yung appointment ko. Malapit na mag alas 2. Malapit lang ang hospital dito, guys. Pwede nga lang lakarin. Dito na kami nananghalian malapit sa hospital para hindi kami malate. Anyway, yung doctor namin lagi namang late yun.
No, doctor. Not doctor.
Next. Here, yan na ang hospital, oh. Sobrang lapit lang.
No, doctor.
Wala nga lang 1 minute, nandito na kami kagad. Yan. Yung may pagka-orange na building. You want mama? We're here na parking. Let's go. Sabi ni Yuri, no doctor for me. Only mama. Doctor only for mama. Not for you, okay? I like black mask.
Alright, next.
Next. It says staff and inpatient. Yuri. Yuri.
Star Papa.
Yeah, we're going up on the third. Wala pang. Where is Papa? Wala pa ang aking doctor, guys, ang aking OB. Hintay pa kami dito mga ano na yun ngayon, alas 2:05 or 2:10 na.
Юрчик опять на столовку раскусил. Раскрутил, вернее. Что тут у нас? Today almost 150.
Yeah, that's the normal range is 110 to 160. Yeah. Oh, liho kayo. But it's okay.
Юрчик такой, что происходит? Что происходит? Смотрите, Юрчик уже играет у нас. Развивающие игры. Хочешь снять?
Yay! We're done, guys. Everything is normal sa aking lab results. We also hear the heartbeat of the baby. It was how many?
It was higher today.
Higher today than last time. 150?
Around
150
plus.
plus.
Around 150.
Yeah, everything is normal. So we'll come back here July 30 for the next check.
In 1 month.
Yeah, everything is normal with the baby and with me. I am healthy and the baby is healthy. And Yuri is healthy. Yeah?
Oh.
Let's go. We're gonna go to Robinson's. Your chick wants to play. Yeah.
Me.
Your birthday today?
Yeah.
Come on, you sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Wait.
We gonna go to Robinson. Your chick wants to play.
Робинсон?
Play,
Все, мы закончили.
So dirty lagi.
Ой, sorry. Заехали в плейграунд поиграть. Юрчик очень-очень просил. А раз...
Alright, we just arrived from the hospital, guys. At we decided na dito sa hospital na to kami manganganak. Ako manganganak, I mean. Kasi napaka-friendly ng ano doon, napaka-friendly ng doktor at Yuri, I'm talking here.
You know,
So, napaka-friendly ng doktor at saka proven and tested na talaga siya kasi 17 years na siyang OB at ano pa, yung nag-recommend sa akin sa doktor na to is yung kaibigan ko, nakakapanganak lang 1 month at sabi niya magaling talaga ang doktor at saka yung team ng doktor na magpapaanak sa'yo ay super friendly talaga. So, dito kami manganganak. Sa hospital na to kami manganganak. And magkano nga ba ang bayad ng CS? Natanong namin kanina sa doktor. Actually, nag-quote siya sa amin ng 160,000 pesos. Na-shock ako. Sobrang mahal. Pero I think okay lang yon kasi ganun din naman siguro yung mga ibang private hospitals sa Dumaguete. Ganun din ang price kasi nagpa-quote din kami sa isang doktor sa Dumaguete. Same din. At same hospital lang din manganganak. So, well, doon na lang kami sa doktor na yun kasi ano na siya, matagal na siyang doktor, 17 years na, di ba? At napaka-friendly niya talaga. And medyo mahal nga lang siya, guys. Yung kay Yuri sa Vietnam, mga nasa 80k lang bayad namin ng CS din ako. Pero dito pa rin sobrang mahal. Sobra na talaga ang inflation dito, no? Sobrang mahal mga anak.
Yuri. No, Yuri. No.
Pero okay lang kasi may ipon naman kami. So, that's it, guys. Final na. Doon kami manganganak sa hospital na yon sa ACE Dumaguete Doctors Hospital. And hopefully, maging maayos ang lahat. What can you say?
About hospital?
Yeah.
It's pretty clean.
Clean, yeah. Malinis din yung hospital.
We found Wi-Fi voucher nights for 20 pesos.
Walang libre na wifi. Kailangan bumibili ng wifi doon. Tapos, ang hindi lang masyadong ano doon is, ang cons lang sa hospital na yon is wala silang toilet paper sa ano.
But have sanitizers so that
Wala silang toilet paper at saka walang aircon sa waiting area. Yun yung complaint ng mga patient.
Electric fan.
Kasi sobrang init. May electric fan pero ano lang, kaunti lang, iilan lang yung electric fan. Sobrang init sa waiting area. Kung napansin nyo sa video, diba, sobrang nainitan talaga ako doon. And, pero okay lang naman yun. Pwede kaming magdala ng electric fan. Tapos, pwede kaming magdala ng wet wipes and toilet paper. Well, anyway, sabi ng kaibigan ko, pag nanganak pag nanganak na ako, sa private room naman kasi yun, meron lahat magbibigay yung doctor na lahat ng mga kailangan mo doon. Toilet paper and everything. Merong pa-package daw. So, ayos na yun. At saka, maganda din yun kasi yung location ng hospital. Ba? Hindi traffic papunta doon. So, it's a perfect spot kasi may restaurant din malapit. May bed and breakfast din malapit. In case magstay si Dimitri. Pero pwede naman siya magstay sa room. At malapit din ang mga pharmacy. Malapit sa lahat. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na vlog. And mag-ingat kayong lahat.
You can
Say paalam.
leave your suggestions about names. We're still looking for names
Yeah.
in comment.
Yeah, by the way guys,
You know, I have already so many.
since yung EDD ko is estimated due date ko is December 23. So feeling ko, I don't know, sabi ng aking doctor is maybe 1 week before December 23 or 1 week after December 23 ako manganganak. It's possible na manganak ako sa sa hospital, dun kami mag-Christmas. So sabi ko kay Dimitri, siguro pangalanan natin ng Christina. Pag babae. Pag lalaki, what's the name? Christian. But I really like lang short name lang. I like Emma or Emilia.
Somebody offered Dina. You know why Dina? Because it's Dima and Navy.
Or Dina. No, I don't like this. Or Nadi. Nadine.
Nadine.
Nadia. May nag-offer din na Julia kasi ang Julia sa Russian is Yulia. Yeah? Yulia, and it's gonna be Yuri and Yulia. Puro Y. But I like the Emilia, Emma, Emilia, and I actually like Olivia and Julia as well. But if it's a boy, I don't know. Maybe something. But I really just like kanang very short name lang. Ayoko nung maraming mga cheche-bureche sa pangalan. 2 names, 3 names. Yeah, ayoko ng mataas na pangalan. Yung short lang, like my name, Nivy, and Yuri is Urion, Dimitri. Ganun lang. So, comment down below kung ano ang gusto nyong ipangalan. What do you think is beautiful name for a baby girl? Kasi sabi ni Dimitri, mukhang baby girl daw ang aming baby sa ultrasound. Paano niya nalaman? I said, you saw you said the ultrasound of our baby looks like a baby girl. How did you know it's a baby girl?
Somebody actually wrote comment in my video that it looks like a boy.
It looks like a boy. And, yeah.
They said, "Oh, I see it's a boy in ultrasound."
It's too early to determine. Even the doctor cannot say if it's a boy or a girl because it's too early. So, mag-comment kayo guys. Ano magandang pangalan? Olivia, Emma, Emilia, or Amelia, or Julia? And in Russian, it's gonna be Yulia.
Or Emo.
Emo, no. Emilio. Okay, guys. Bye. See you on the next vlog. Paalam.
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 Yeah.